Israeli airstrikes kill 85 in Gaza as relentless bombardment continues amid crisis. Gaza Health Ministry confirms 29 starvation-linked deaths, thousands, including children and elderly, now face critical risk of famine. U.S. imposes sanctions on Sudan for chemical weapons use during internal conflict. U.S. cuts exports and credit to Sudan, citing military's use of banned chemical weapons in fight against paramilitary forces. Relentless rains trigger record floods in eastern Australia, killing 4 and isolating thousands. Iran-US nuclear talks stall as uranium enrichment dispute hardens both sides' positions. Tough stances on uranium enrichment overshadow US-Iran nuclear talks, with little progress despite Oman's mediation and rising tensions.